Making videos about Elon Musk seems like a great niche if you're looking for ideas to start your YouTube automation channel. 343,000 views in 3 months for Elon Musk speaking about exiling his transgender daughter. 1.1 million views in 9 months for a 1-hour motivational video made from his speeches and interviews. 6.1 million views for this video. This kind of content is doing great on the platform, to say the least. But why do people love those videos? How are they created? What about the copyright? Are you allowed to take published content about Musk, make it yours, and monetize it? If you want to know the answers, keep watching this video until the end. And if you want to find other video ideas getting millions of views on YouTube, check out the link in the description below. But for now, we're going to talk about what makes YouTube automation content about Musk this irresistible, and how you can yourself build a business around it or take some winning elements from it to implement in your own niche. First of all, Musk is a great bet when it comes to creating faceless videos because it belongs in more than one niche, and all of them have a high CPM. If you don't know what CPM is, it's how much you're paid by Google AdSense for 1,000 views. And this metric is very variable from one niche to another. So, for the same content creation effort, people are simply earning a significant amount of money, while others are sadly collecting pennies. With that being said, more and more creators make videos about Tesla's owner because they can benefit from the polyvalence of the one and only Elon Musk. So Musk belongs, with no doubt, to the celebrity niche. However, the CPM of this niche is quite low. On the other hand, the celebrity niche guarantees a lot of views. For 1.9 million views with a $2 CPM, this video could make its creator around $3.8 million. And you know what? Creators are making much more with YouTube automation when they publish videos about Musk. How? As we said earlier, Elon Musk belongs to more than one niche. With the PayPal business that pushes him to the forefront, he's definitely one of the unescapable faces of the modern financial system, which put him right in the center of the financial niche. And according to US Screen, the finance and investing niche has a CPM of $12. Compared to the $2 given by AdSense for celebrities' content, this niche will get you 3 times more. So, what's interesting about Musk, from a YouTube automation perspective, is that each category has its own benefits. Now listen carefully. If you want to catch attention, make videos about Musk's personal life. And with his controversial affair with Amber Heard, you won't run out of juicy ideas. To increase your CPM, you need to focus on Tesla, SpaceX, and create videos about his success story. Those videos also get a lot of views with a very optimized pay for every 1,000 views. Look at this channel. All the videos are about Elon Musk, and according to Social Blade, Elon Musk's own gathered more than 7 million views in the last 30 days. This channel is making nearly $28,500 a month. And let us tell you that it could be making way more, because Social Blade calculates YouTube channels earning with a CPM between $2 and $4. And with multiple profitable niches to whom Elon Musk belongs, this channel is earning more than it shows here. If you're getting excited about starting your YouTube automation business about Musk, you're definitely picking a highly profitable topic. However, do you think you're allowed to use any content available on YouTube to create yours? Absolutely not. YouTube is very strict about copyright. You cannot steal someone else's content, publish it on your channel, and expect to make money with it. Actually, you need to be careful with the fair use rules if you want your content to get monetized. In the Elon Musk Zone profile, the About section says, "We transform the original content from shows, podcasts, and keynotes with Mr. Elon Musk to provide the viewers with a more immersive experience. We also make the messages of Elon Musk more accessible to people that are suffering from hearing disabilities by applying professional transcription to the majority of our videos. We amplify the content's original message by making it more cinematic and easier to understand by the end consumer. This way, we hope to reach more people and thus educate more people with Elon Musk's valuable messages." So the creator or creators behind this channel are modeling original content by giving it their proper touch. This is why it doesn't break the copyright rules. You can use interviews and podcasts with Musk, but you need to give credit to the initial creator. If you do that and manage to personalize your videos, your channel will blow out sooner or later. People love motivational videos. They also can't resist juicy news and gossip about celebrities. If you're looking for different ideas in the celebrity niche, subscribe right now. Give the video a thumbs up and watch the next video about YouTube automation and Kylie Jenner.